My thinking in general is that this past week has actually been very, very good for the broader market and just a minor hiccup for the S&P. And it's actually healthy to see this huge divergence between tech and the rest of the sectors sort of give way a little bit and show some mean reversion. I think that's, in general, very positive. It's exactly what we wanted to see. But I find it ironic that people complain about the market when NVIDIA goes up and the rest of the market suffers. But then during a week like this past week, when the whole market's doing well, nobody mentions the fact that financials and industrials are breaking down and transports are doing well. They all talk about NVIDIA falling and that they think a peak is in for NVIDIA and for tech.